Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix TikTok account frozen. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, confirm what frozen means by checking if you cannot log in, cannot post, or your profile shows restrictions. Close TikTok completely by removing it from recent apps so it fully stops running in the background. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off to refresh your connection. Restart your phone to clear temporary system glitches that can block TikTok sessions. Check your internet by opening a website or YouTube, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test stability. Update TikTok from the App Store or Google Play because older versions can trigger lockouts or loading freezes. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off because TikTok may freeze accounts when locations constantly change. Open your phone settings. Go to Date and Time, and enable automatic time to avoid login token errors. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, TikTok, Storage, and tap Clear Cache to remove corrupted temporary files. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, TikTok, and tap Offload App, then reinstall the app data cleanly. Open TikTok and try logging in using the same method you originally used, like phone, email, Apple ID, or Google. If login fails, tap Forgot Password and reset it using the verified email or phone link to the account. Check your email inbox and spam folder for TikTok security alerts or verification messages and complete any requested steps. Go to TikTok login screen, tap the Help option, and choose Account Issue or Can't Log In for guided recovery. If you can access the app, go to Profile, tap the menu, then Settings and Privacy to inspect any restriction notices. Open Account and then Account Status if available, and read the exact reason shown for limitations. Remove any recent content that may violate rules, such as copyrighted audio, re-uploaded clips, or sensitive material. Stop mass following, mass liking, or rapid commenting because automated behavior often triggers temporary freezes. Wait at least 24 hours if it is a temporary security freeze, and avoid repeated login attempts during that period. Verify your identity signals by adding a phone number or email and turning on two-step verification in security settings. Change your password again to a strong, unique one if you suspect your account was accessed by someone else. Check linked devices and security. Log out of unknown devices, and revoke access for suspicious third-party apps. Report the problem inside TikTok by going to Settings and Privacy. Report a problem, account and profile, and login. Write a clear ticket including your username, the exact error message, and the date the freeze started. Attach screenshots if TikTok allows it, because proof speeds up support review. If you are fully blocked, use TikTok's web feedback form in a browser and submit the same details there. Do not create multiple new accounts on the same device immediately, because it can extend device-level restrictions. After support replies, follow their instructions exactly and retest posting and commenting slowly for the first day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.